Evie, how do you put mascara on?
Cause
How do you put it on?
You okay, Talia?
Evie, how did you put that on your eyes? Show me how you did it. Evie,
She's showing you.
how did you open that up?
do. Hi.
Are you supposed to be in Mommy's makeup?
Yes.
Are you supposed to be in my makeup?
Yes.
Look at me in the eyes and tell me you're supposed to be in my makeup.
Look at me in the eyes, Evie. Are you supposed to make makeup?